My name is Satvik and today I am making 4 cups. I will tell you materials you have to need. Okay, go to materials. Okay friends, you need a scissors, you need a paper and some sketch pens. Friends, now take the paper. See how I am doing. Now make a triangle shape. Sharply make the line. See, it is on the end of the line. You have to stop at this end. Now open it. Don't open it. Now take the scissors. Now cut this from here. Now fold this paper and cut it. After cutting, open this paper. Now our paper is in square shape. Now fold it. And now again fold it. Now open it. Now these squares are there, no? Close it. Now, after doing like this, at the back of the side, fold it at this middle point. All the sides. All should come at one point. Okay friends, after doing this, now fold it. After folding it, you can see this now. Put fingers in them. Now your 4 cups is ready. And now I am putting another one. Now I am doing this paper cup as a game. Now take a red color sketch pen and write red on one cup. And now take blue color and write blue. You can also take your own colors. Now after doing the colors, open this. Now take any of a color and write 1, 2, 3, 7, 8. After drawing this, open this. This is a game. Write king here and write queen. And now write Tom. Or lion. Now close it. Now our paper cups is ready. Now I will show how to play this. How to play? Color, which color do you want? I want red. Okay. Number, which number? I want 4. Hey, Jerry, I'm so small. Now I am telling Now I told how to play now. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching this video.